Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing this pink hair. I'm going to be showing you how I got it. I'm starting with pre-bleached hair. It's in a bun right now because it looks really bad. I'm going to be using these two colors from Arctic Fox. They smell so good. I love this dye. So this is Arctic Fox Virgin Pink and Electric Paradise, and I'm going to be mixing it with some conditioner. I'm just using my regular Pantene conditioner. I'm using a Framar paintbrush and a mixing bowl from Sally's. Putting on some gloves because this stuff stains really bad. I definitely recommend using gloves. I didn't the first time and my hands were all pink. So I'm just squirting a shit ton of conditioner into the bowl, enough for my whole hair, and then I'm squeezing about 3 seconds of each bottle. So you'll see when you start mixing if that's your desired hair color, and this is all up to you depending on how light or dark you want your hair. If you want it lighter, I would leave a more conditioner to dye ratio. That way it's like pastelized, and if you want it darker, you can use less conditioner or add more of the hair dye from the bottle. So I really like the color that I mixed, and I just started applying it to my hair. I started in big sections, but that didn't really work out for me because as I spread the hair out, it wasn't saturated. So I started working in smaller sections, and I felt like that worked out way better for me, and I definitely recommend doing that if you're gonna dye your hair. Just make sure that all of your hair is very saturated with the color. I really love this Arctic Fox hair color because it smells good. There's no ammonia or anything like that. It's cruelty free, and I don't know, I just really love this hair dye. It's super simple. You don't need any developer, anything like that, and it doesn't damage your hair. Obviously my hair is already bleached, so damaging my hair even more is a no-go. So this is super easy to work with, so I'm not really doing precise sections. I'm just making sure all of it's saturated and then moving on to the next section. So off camera, I just went ahead and did the rest of my head, and it already looks so cute. Taking off my gloves, and then we're just gonna wait. It says on the bottle 30 minutes, so I just waited that long. And this is the color that I came up with. I just washed it and styled it. I love it so much. So I went ahead and washed it out, and this is the color that I am left with. I freaking love it so much. I love pink hair. I feel like pink hair on me is just my vibe. It's just who I am, and I'm so happy to be back pink. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Go ahead and stand up really quick. I did it a little bit darker. As you guys can see, where is it? Right here? No. Right here is the, where is it? Right here is the original color I mixed. It's a little bit more pastel. But I mixed in a little bit more of the Virgin Pink to get this kind of like magenta color. I just want to let you guys know that it does dilute every time that you wash it. So when you wash your hair, you will see pink coming out and it will get lighter. So I decided to go a little bit darker. That way my pink lasts a little bit longer. I'll go ahead and put up a couple pictures of what it looks like when it starts to dilute. Right here, this is from last year when I dyed my hair pink. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Consider subscribing if you want to see cool makeup looks and things like this. I really love how it came out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see pictures of my pink hair, to see pictures of all my cool makeup looks, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone!